Hi everyone, it's Genene here with a 10-minute yoga sequence for the evening. No props needed. Let's begin on hands and knees. So just find your wrists underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hip bones. And let's begin with a few gentle cats and cows. So tilting the pelvis forward, lifting your heart and letting your head follow. And then using your exhale to pull your low belly in, rounding the spine. Inhaling and exhaling on your breath. Feeling the spinal extension as you go into your cow and the cat, the spinal flexion. Letting yourself become present in this moment on your mat in this place. Exhale, round your spine. Let's do one more. And exhale. Big toes together, knees wide. Let's come into child's pose so you can feel where you're at here. Arms extended, head on the floor. Reach your hips down and back. Breathe. Draw your hands underneath your shoulders. Press yourself back up to hands and knees. Tuck your toes, lift up and back, downward facing dog. Bending one knee and taking the other heel to the floor, bicycling your legs, sitting bones reaching to the sky. Feel the work of the tops of the thighs and the outer hips moving back to take the pressure off of your arms. And then inhale your right leg in the air. And exhale, draw the knee into your chest, set it, the foot right between the hands, and bring your left knee down to the floor. Left hand on the floor or on a block. Inhale, right arm up to the sky. And then exhale, bring that right arm down. Walk your right foot over to the right. Hands to the inside of your foot. For this lizard pose, inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, maybe you go deeper, bending the elbows towards the back of your mat. Just do what feels right for you today. What's relaxing? Inhale up and step that right leg back, down dog. Inhale, left leg in the air. Exhale, draw the left knee into the chest. Step the left foot forward. Bring the right knee down. Inhale, left arm up to the sky. Turn the heart. Exhale, left hand down. Left hand goes to the inside of the foot. Left foot makes room by moving over to the left. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to bow. Feel your breath flowing in and out through your nose. Walking yourself up onto your hands. Step your left leg back to meet the right. Downward facing dog. This time, step your left leg right between your hands, or if you need to the outside of your left hand. Spin your back foot flat on the floor. Take your left forearm to your left thigh, reach your right arm up to the sky, and then just circle your arm. The left knee bent 90 degrees for this modified side angle pose. Circle your arm the other way. Parsva Konasana, side angle. And now going into that forward bend, you may need blocks for this, even though you don't necessarily need them. You're going to put your hands to the inside kind of like we did before. And then inhale, lengthen, exhale, bow. And your arms might be able to bend a lot. You might be able to bow very deeply, and maybe not very much at all. Come back up so that you can frame the foot. Step the left leg back to meet the right. Down dog. Right knee draws into the chest and steps between the hands so that those low ribs, if they lift up, 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 and then look to where you're going, step the foot. Left foot turns flat. Right knee bent 90 degrees. Right forearm to right thigh. Inhale, left arm up to the sky. And then circle the left arm. And circle the other direction. Let the circles be slow. Every one of your movements mindful, calming. Left hand down to the inside of the right foot. Right hand down to the inside of the right foot. Get the length in the spine, even though you're rounding here. Exhale, bow. Feel how much support your back leg is giving you. Back inner thigh lifting so that you can go in deeper. Frame the foot. Step the right foot back to meet the left. Downward facing dog. And then walk forward, Uttanasana. Hands to your hips. Inhale, rise up. Take a wide stance. Inhale. Arms out to the sides. And then exhale, bow forwards. Hands to your hips to start. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, hands to the floor. Choose whether you want to stay with this nice long spine or bow forward. Prasarada Padottanasana. Wide-legged forward bend. Feel the quieting action of this forward bend. Feeling the inner thigh stretch, the back of the hamstrings, the calves. But also feel the support you're getting from your belly, from your strong abdominal muscles. Inhale, come up, halfway. Take your hands to your hips. Inhale, rise up. And let's come on to our backs. So with your right knee drawn into your chest, your left leg stays nice and long. Take your left hand to the outside of your left leg. Roll all the way onto your left outer hip for a twist. And then deeply breathe into the twist. Inhale to center. And switching sides, slowly, gently. Left knee in. Rolling onto right outer hip. There's no need to go and try to get to your deepest level here. What is giving you the deepest relaxation? Inhale back to center. And then gently take your knees into your chest. Pelvis stays down. And your knees can be as wide as they need to be. Let just the pressure of your hands, the weight of your arms, draw the knees into the chest. Straighten your legs. Shavasana. You can stay here as long as you like for now. Thank you so much for joining me. And remember to like this video. Let me know how it worked for you and that you want more content like this. And any suggestions that you have for new videos, I appreciate hearing from you. And thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.